Today's class is the consonants. Let's enjoy! Look here, we have read Korean made with vowels we learned last time. Remember, vowels are very important in saying Korean. It might sound like a dialect if we use it incorrectly. You have to keep reading so that you can get used to mouth. As you know, there are 다음, the consonants, and 모음. They make up Hangul, refer to each letter that forms it. 다음, consonants are 닷소리. In Korean. 단 means touch. 소리 means sound. So, 닷소리 is the sound made by touch. It means that when you talk, our tongue and lips touch. Everywhere in our mouth and block it. To make a sound. Okay? 모음. Vowels are 홀소리. In Korean. 홀 means alone. 소리 means sound. 홀소리 means that you make a sound alone without any obstacles. In other words, when you pronounce vowels, you can make sounds alone without consonants. Okay? And remember, on the contrary, the consonant is hard to pronounce alone. Okay? Good. First, we learn how consonants are created. The consonants were modeled after the sound organs. Look here. Throat, tongue, gums, and teeth. He made it easy for people to remember how to look at letters and make sounds. First, he made the basic characters like let's take a look at each letter. Okay, good. Look here. These are basic characters. This is the shape of a tongue's root blocks the throat. This is the shape of a tongue's front tip touches upper gums. This is the shape of rectangle image of both closed lips. This is the shape of sharp image of teeth. This is the shape of circle image of a throat. Okay, good. Look here. As we learned, these are basic characters. And he made basic consonants by adding strokes to the principle of this shape. He added a stroke to the basic characters, and he made consonants with a strong wind. And he made consonants that were repeated side by side with the same consonants. These consonants were made to speak with strong pressure on your neck. And others. Okay, good. Look at this line. The names of these are 기역, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, 시옷, 이응, 지읒, 치읒, 키읔, 티읒, 피읍, 히읗, 쌍기역, 쌍디귿, 쌍비읍, 쌍시옷, 쌍지읒. And look here, the pronunciation of these are. Repeat after me. 그, 느, 드, 르, 무, 부, 스, 응, 즈, 츠, 크, 트, 푸, 흐, 끄, 뜨, 뿌, 스, 즈. Okay, good. And as you know, the consonant is hard to pronounce alone, so we practice pronunciation with the representative vowel a. With the consonant 가, 나, 다, 라, 마, 바, 사, 아, 자, 차, 카, 타, 파, 하, 까, 따, 빠, 싸, 짜. Okay, good. And look at this line. Did you notice any differences? Right. There are letters that use different romanization. Let's check it out. Look at this line. These are letters that use different romanization. According to romanization, 그, 드, 브. are written as G, T, and B in front of vowel. And they are written as K, T, and P in front of the consonant or at the end of the word. Example, okay. In front of the vowel and in front of the consonant or at the end of the word. Okay. So we can write this word pop. Okay. Good. And do is written as R in front of the vowel. And it's written as L in front of the consonant or at the end of the word. Example, this is in front of the vowel. Okay, so we can write this word li. Okay. However, ru, ru is written as L, L. Example, in this case, ru, ru. So we can write this word ul, lu. It uses different notation like this. Okay, good. That's it for today's lesson. Next class is the pronunciation of consonants. Please press like and subscribe. See you next time.